Alright, so I just wanted to make this video because I've been looking for a keyboard for my iPad, and I was looking into Bluetooth keyboards, like regular size and foldable ones, but it's not something that I really like because on mine I have just a simple case on the back on my iPad. I have a little rubbery case, and I was looking for something that's a lot better. I didn't want to get one of those cases that have the keyboard built in when you open the flaps. I wanted something a little bit more different, a little bit more bigger. So as I'm looking around at Amazon, I found this keyboard, and I believe the brand is FD. So it's just one of those Chinese makers. But I've been using this it's been like a week, and it's almost 2 weeks, and I love it, and there's a bunch of reasons why, and I just wanted to make a little small video. So first of all, the keyboard comes packaged really great, so if it's going to be for a present or something, it works out great. And so you get the keyboard, and then the cable's in here. But the keyboard itself, it's actually kind of heavy-ish because it has a big battery. And the reason it has a big battery is because this takes about 3 hours to fully charge from if it's totally empty. So it takes 3 hours to fully charge, and it claims that it lasts 2 to 3 months of usage. So it's got like little power saving functions, and like if you leave it for more than 9 or 10 minutes, it'll go into power saving mode and turn off and all that. It just turns on with the regular keystroke. Basically, the reason I like this, it's because it's a lot bigger than the keyboards that are built into the little what are they called? The little protector things. But it's also smaller than a regular traditional keyboard. At least all the Bluetooth ones that I can find. Not only that, but what I like about it has 2 channels, so you can have 2 different devices connected to it, and all you do to switch between the devices is there's channel 1, channel 2. You just toggle the switch. You can turn it on and off like that. Right here it'll tell you which one it's on, like whether it's on channel 1 or channel 2. The A right there is for the cap locks, so it'll let you know if there's a cap locks. And basically what I did there was I unlocked my phone, because right now I'm using my phone because I'm using my iPad to record. The back, it's pretty standard, so it just basically looks like that. The charging port is right here on the side, and the reason I like this one so much is that I can have my my phone or iPad just go into here, and that's it. And it works perfect because my iPad has one of these cases, so it just pops in, and then right now it's connected to my phone, so I can unlock my phone, and then let me see, and then you can see Notes is open right there. Let me see if I can flip this sideways. Alright, that's better. So then I could just type, as you can see. So another cool part about this, other than it lasting for a very long time, which is great, and I hate to buy batteries, so I love that it's rechargeable. The other thing is that it works on Bluetooth 3.0, so it should work with almost any device. It's compatible both with Androids or iOS devices, and it even works on my computer. So basically anything that has a Bluetooth. The distance, it's supposed to be 10 meters. I haven't really tested that out because I just use it for my my iPad, or I do use it for my smart TV because I have a TV box, so I use it to, when I'm surfing or looking for things, I use it for that. The switches, they feel pretty good. their little design is scissor switches. So they're like the buttons right here, and then you just, it goes like down. So they feel pretty good. They respond really well. Their key span, the lifespan on their keys is like 5 million clicks or something. So it's supposed to last a long time. And like I said, it feels great. Overall, it looks great and feels great. That's why I'm actually impressed and why I decided to make a video. Because this is not the first Bluetooth keyboard that I got. I've gotten 2 other ones. I did get the little one that folds. It folds out into 3 pieces. So it's a foldable one, like a pocket. Fits in your pocket. And then I did get a smaller version of it. And I don't want to go to the store and buy one of those name brand ones that are like 40, 50, 60 bucks. This one, I believe, it cost me like 20 or 25. And yeah. But anyways, so I just, a little quick video. If anyone has an iPad or iPhone or anything like that and they want to use it for typing or doing homework and stuff, you can do it this way. It's a lot easier than typing on like my iPad. I don't know, I just have something about typing on the iPads. And that's like all tablets, because I have an Android tablet too, but I prefer my iPad over my Android just because preference, I guess. So this keyboard is it's 6.29 inches this way, and then across it's 11.38 inches. So that'll give you this kind of like a size. And this is my iPhone 6 Plus. But like I said, you can fit any iPad on here. You can fit your iPhones or whatever. These fit great with this type of case. So that's why I love this one so much, because like I said, my iPad has this type of case, so it just fits in there perfectly. It holds it in. It doesn't tip over with my iPad, because my iPad's like way bigger, so it's up here. It doesn't tip over because, like I said, the battery in here is a little bit heavy because it's a pretty big, long-lasting battery. Yeah, that's about it. I'll have the link to this down in the description. And I believe they have 2 different colors. They have like a black one, and then they have this one. I picked this one because my iPad's gray, so or silver, or whatever you want to call it. So I matched. But they also have a black one, I believe.